That's a Scratchboard tool. Now, how to hold one of these, you gotta, just like you hold a pencil, but the point has to be down like this on the Scratchboard. And then, wow, you could Scratchboard. Look at that beauty. Now, we're gonna go over different lines right now. A thin line is like this. And then the thicker you want your line, you'll use different sides of the tool. Like that. Thick old line. And that. Oh God. You can get a pretty good broad spectrum of lines here. Isn't it great? Whee! Alright, draw a thin line. Alright, draw a thicker line. Ooh. Draw an even thicker line. Oh! Beautiful. A balloon. This will be one of your best things to see value in. As you can see, it's got its little bright spot here. So that is, yeah, that. Then we have a little shadow here. We're going to show you how to do that in Scratchboard. Alright, so pretend this is our balloon. Both of these actually is our balloon. Now, in the matter of this, trying to get value in with it, you gotta use different strokes to actually show value. Now in this one we did kind of the opposite thing, and this is what everybody tends to do. With a pencil and shading, you usually go like this and show value, and then this would be the bright side. That's wrong with Scratchboard because when you scratch, you're actually showing white. So to show the shadow there, we want it to be darker. So you gotta scratch this off because the light's coming over here, and that's that. The balloon. Yeah. Okay. You could use all sorts of methods to get your value up in there. And this one would be used, oh God, by making lines back and forth to cross them. This is called cross-hatching. And you'll do more and more and more lines to show more and more and more value. There's value there. Then you can use some of these weird lines up here to show like fur. And you just place them closer together to make them darker. Now this one is scumble. You can just draw squiggles and place them closer together the more value you want. And further apart, the less value you want. That'll create a nice texture too. Kitty. You see in this kitty how we have many values in it? Look at this. Look at the eyes. You see how where light is shining, that's where we scratched off. All that is a nice shading. Right where everything else is, that's shading. You just scratch it off. So do it. Oh, sorry. I didn't see you there. I was just admiring this flower. Look at all the value in this beautiful flower. This is all created thanks to Scratchboard.
It's question time. Okay.
Ask me a question.
How do you hold this?
Oh. Like this. Like a pencil. But you have to have the tip right here on your Scratchboard. Alright, my turn. How would you make a thick mark with this?
You hold it like a spoon. So you're going to hold it on its side. Draw your line.
Press down.
Thick lines. That's how you do it. Alright, next question. What methods can we use to get value?
You can use scumble, which is the squiggly lines. Now, what's another method?
Cross-hatching, which is your lines this way and then your lines the opposite way over them.
What's a method you can use to transfer marks?
You can use pencil or chalk.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
What happens if you mess up? How can you fix it?
Well, you can't really erase it because you have scratched into the Scratchboard. So you'll just have to incorporate it into your picture.
Are you recording yourself? Oh my gosh.